In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a username in Phantom Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet. And then once we open it up, we'll be greeted to this page here. And at the middle of the page, it will say create a username, a unique identity for your wallet. So go ahead and click onto that. And then you've got to wait for this animation to stop. All right, and then from here it will say create a username, so a unique identity as unique as your wallet. So it's pretty much simplified identity. Say goodbye to long complex addresses and hello to a user-friendly identity. It's faster and easier, so easily send and receive crypto, log into your wallet and connect with friends and stay in sync. Connect to any account to your username. So with all that said, go ahead and click on continue. And now here, this is where you can create your username, and be mindful, usernames can be changed once every 14 days. So yeah, go ahead and put in your new username here, which I'm going to do now. So I'm going to put in my name, tutorial whiz, like so. Username's available, and it's quite interesting because I can't see my name even though I've typed it in. So I'm not sure if you guys have that problem. If you do, just let me know down in the comments below. From here, go ahead and click on continue. And it will say at tutorial whiz, because I couldn't see what I was writing. So be mindful of that if that glitch is there. So just, yeah, put in your username and then click continue. Don't write your username twice like I've done.